yourself in a comfortable seated position, allowing your body to be relaxed. Today we are going to be working a full meditation on our heart center. This will be around 8 minutes, and I pray that during this meditation you find yourself relaxed enough to trust that the earth is here to support you, to trust that your source is always pouring into you, to trust that good things are happening for you, to trust that love is abundant, to trust yourself. So as we breathe during this meditation, you want to slow your breath. It's important to slow your breath. As your breath slows, you're more able to come to the present moment. You're able to find yourself here in this space, in the present, where all of your resources are, where the God you desire is, where all of the answers you seek are. You have to come here to this moment. And to ease you into the present moment today, we're going to do a short 8-minute practice focused on opening our hearts. The most important place when it comes to receiving, not just receiving love, but to receiving financial abundance, which comes to you because of a sense of worthiness, knowing that you deserve that abundance in your life. So we'll be playing from this crystal bowl right here, which is green for the heart center. So throughout the practice, just focusing on your heart, bringing your attention to your heart. As we begin, gently closing off your eyes and placing your hands here at heart center. Before you do, begin with your eyes closed, gently and then quickly rubbing your hands together, creating heat. Continue to rub them together even faster, feeling your hands get hotter and hotter. Even faster, creating even more heat. Feels like you're at the stove right now. Place your hands onto your heart center. And as you do, breathe deep. Release. Inspire. Respire. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inspire. Respire. Inspire. Respire. Now gently placing your hands on your knees, palms facing up, allowing your breath to come and go, trying to breathe in and out of our nose, and relaxing our body. Just trying to relax your legs, your thighs, your neck, your back, just completely relaxing your body and letting the earth beneath you support you. With your attention on your heart, you continue to breathe. your hands back onto your knees, gently rolling your shoulders, feeling that heating sensation continuing to move throughout your body. As we come to this practice, just remembering that that light that poured into you is still there. Your heart is now soft and open to receive. Allow your mind to take ease and trust that you are supported, you are loved, you are cherished, you are worthy, you are loved, you are desired, you are loved. Inhale, raising your arms up, allowing them to meet. Exhale as you bring them down.